Self-introduction.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. My name is Safa Sadiq Qadri. My father name is Sadiq Abdul Sattar Qadri. My mother name is Solia Sadiq Qadri. My father working as a painter. Good morning. My name is Mehdi Nisar Ahmed Nazir. My father name is Nisar Ahmed Sayyid Zahul Nazir. My mother name is Saida Nisar Ahmed Nazir. My brother name is Mawia and Abdurrahman. I live in Mendri. Total 5 members in my family. My school name is Raigarh Zilla Parishad Urdu School Mendri. I am in 3rd class.
My school name is Raigarh Zilla Parishad Urdu School Mendri. I am in 4th class. My favorite subject is English and Urdu. My favorite food name is watermelon and grapes. My favorite animal name is horse and kittens.
In Mendri. My school name is Raigarh Zilla Parishad Urdu School Mendri. I am in 7th class. My hobby is reading and playing. My ideal is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My best friend name is Abdurrahman Nazir. I want to become businessman in future. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to introduce myself. I am Sayyid Ali Asif Nazir. In my family total 6 members are present. I live in Mendri. My father name is Asif Iqbal Nazir. My father doing multiple work. My mother name is Hora Asif Nazir. My mother is housewife. My grandfather name is Iqbal Muhammad Nazir. My grandmother name is Saida Iqbal Nazir.
My school name is Raigarh Zilla Parishad Urdu School Mendri. My study in 7th class. My ideal name is Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My best personality is Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nauman Naushad Nazir. My father name is Naushad. My mother name is Tanzim. My grandfather name is Wazir. My grandmother name is Shainaz.
Good morning. I am Agar. My name is Amina Akhtar Sayyed. My father name is Afroz. My mother name is Ishrat.
My name is Dada Nazir. My father name is Dada Nazir. My mother name is Nazia. My father is work plumber. My mother is housewife. My school name is Raigarh Zilla Parishad Urdu School Mendri.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Yasir Khalid Ukai. I live in Mendri with my family. My father name is Khalid Ismail Ukai. My mother name is Fauzia Khalid Ukai. My father working as a painter. My mother is housewife. My school name is Raigarh Zilla Parishad Urdu School Mendri. I am in 6th class. My best friend name is Sadali Nazir.
My name is Islam Jaspal. My school name is Raigarh Zilla Parishad Urdu School Mendri. My father name is Jaspal. My mother name is Musarrat Pak. My best friend name is Mariam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisha Nisar Pal. My father name is Nisar Pal. My mother name is Shabana Pal. My grandfather name is Ali. My grandmother name is Mumtaz.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, respected teacher and my dear friends. My name is Sara Sadiq Qadri and I am 12 years old. I am studying in class 6 at Mendri School. My father name is Sadiq Abdul Sattar Qadri. My mother name is Sanjita Abdul Sattar Qadri. My father working as a pen seller. My mother is housewife.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sahil Asif Nazir. I am from Mendri. My country name is India. My father name is Asif Iqbal Nazir. My mother name is Farheen Iqbal Mukadam. My mother is housewife. My father working in the bakery. My ideal name is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I am studying in Raigarh Zilla Parishad Urdu School Mendri.